हेलो एवरीवन। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजीज। तो आज हम लोग जो पढ़ेंगे वो है टोपोलॉजीज। सो network topology is the arrangement of the elements of a communication network. Basically, network topology is the way a network is arranged, including the physical or logical description of how links and nodes are set up to relate to each other. There are two types of topologies, namely physical and logical topologies. Physical topology is the geometric representation of all the nodes in a network, whereas logical topology is the arrangement of devices on a computer network and how they communicate with one another. Network topologies are of various kinds. For example, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, hybrid topology, mesh topology. Bus topology. It is one of the simplest topology used for the network. Bus topology is used for the local area network. In bus topology, all the nodes are connected through a single cable known as backbone. If backbone cable is damaged, the entire network breaks down. This topology is easy to install and maintain. In bus topology, the node that transmits data is known as host, and each node is given equal priority for data transmission. When there are only two endpoints in bus topology, then it is known as linear topology. In bus topology, data is transmitted only in one direction. Ethernet is one of the examples of bus topology. Features of bus topology. It transmits data only in one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable. Advantages of bus topology. It is very cost-effective topology. Cable required is less compared to other network topologies. This topology is used in small networks and it is easy to understand this topology. We can expand this topology by joining two cables together. Disadvantages of bus topology. Cable fails when then whole network fails. Means the network stands on a single cable, so if any damage caused to this cable, the whole network fails. If network traffic is heavy or nodes are more, the performance of the network decreases. Means as the traffic is shared by all the nodes in the network, the performance of the network decreases as the traffic increases. Another disadvantage of bus topology is that cable has a limited length and it is slower than the ring topology. Ring topology. In ring topology, each node is connected with its side node, forming the shape of ring. In ring topology, the data circulate from one computer to another. The flow of the data in ring topology can be unidirectional or bidirectional. In unidirectional, transfer of data is either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So, unidirection ring topology may be called as half-duplex network, whereas in bidirectional ring topology can transfer and receive data at the same time. So, bidirectional ring topology may be called as full duplex network. The data flow in the ring topology is based on the token passing principle. The token is passed from one computer to another. Only the computer with the token can transmit. The receiving computer takes the data from the token and sends the token back to the sending computer with an acknowledgement. After verification, the token is regenerated. This network topology is usually found in school and offices. Advantages of ring topology. Transmitting network is not affected by high traffic or by adding more nodes, as only the nodes having token can transmit data. Cheap to install and expand. Flow of data is in circular direction, which minimizes the chance of packet closing. And this topology is unidirectional. Ring topology provides very high speed. This topology can handle high volume of nodes, and it can handle heavy traffic as compared to bus topology. Maintenance of ring network is much easier as compared to the bus network topology. Disadvantages of ring topology. In ring topology, troubleshooting is very difficult. Adding or deleting the computer disturbs the network activity, and the failure of one computer disturbs the whole network. Next topology is star topology. In star topology is a network topology where each individual piece of network is attached to a central node known as hub or a switch. Basically, in star topology, the attachment of these network pieces to the central component is represented in a form of star. Star topologies are either active or passive networks. In star topology, if one device wants to send data to another device, it is to first send the info to hub, then hub transmits that data to the destined device. Features of star topology. Every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. Hub acts as a repeater for data flow. This topology can be used with twisted pair, optical fiber or coaxial cable. Advantages of star topology. This topology is very fast in performance. Hub can be upgraded easily in star topology, and it is easy to troubleshoot in star topology. We can easily set up and modify star topology. Only that node is affected which has failed. Rest of the nodes can work smoothly in star topology. Disadvantages of star topology. Cost installation of star topology is very high, and it is very expensive to use. If the hub fails, then the whole network is stopped because all the node depends on the hub, and the performance is based on the hub. That is, it depends on its capacity. Let's discuss tree topology. Tree topology. In tree topology, computers are connected like a tree. It is suitable for network having hierarchical flow of data. Hierarchical flow means that the data travels level by level. It starts from one level and travels up to one level down and then to subsequent levels. In this topology, server or the host computer is connected at the top. In this topology, data can flow from the top to bottom and from bottom to the top in level by level manner. In computer networking, tree topology is known as a combination of bus and star network. Features of tree topology. Ideal if workstations are located in groups. It is used in wide area network. Advantages of tree topology. Extension of bus and star topology. Expansion of node is possible and easy in tree topology, and they can be managed and maintained very easily. Error detection, or we may call troubleshooting, is very easy in tree topology. Disadvantages of tree topology. Disadvantages of tree topology. Heavily cable required. It is very costly as compared to other topologies. If more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult in tree topology. Central hub fails, network fails. Let's discuss hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a type of network topology that uses two or more differing network topologies. For example, a combination of star and mesh topology is known as hybrid topology. There are different types of hybrid network topologies depending on the basic requirement of an organization. But the most commonly used one is star ring and star bus topologies that make up the hybrid. Features of hybrid topology. It is a combination of two or more topologies. It inherits the advantages and disadvantages of the topologies included. Advantages of hybrid topologies. It is reliable as error detecting and troubleshooting is easy. It is very effective topology. It is scalable as size can be increased easily. It is flexible topology. Disadvantages of hybrid topology. This topology is very complex in designing and it is very costly to maintain hybrid topology. Next is mesh topology. The mesh topology in which each node is connected to more than one nodes in the system. In this way, there exist multiple paths between two nodes of the network. In case of failure of one part, the other one can be used. This topology is used in networks to spread in a wide geographical area of several kilometers. Advantages of mesh topology. Each connection can carry its own data load. It is robust topology. Fault can be easily diagnosed in mesh topology. It provides security as well as privacy. Disadvantages of mesh topology. Installation and configuration is very difficult in mesh topology. Cabling cost is also high in mesh topology. Bulk wiring is required in mesh topology. Thanks for your kind attention.